So this cabinet has been a great find because if you're like me, my cabinets are overflowing. My drawers are just overflowing, stuffed with stuff. I just needed just another cabinet area where I could just store overflow items in my kitchen, and this has been a great find. I do want to disclose that I was gifted this by the brand. So let me tell you a little bit about this. It's 72 inches tall. So I'm 5'6", and you can see the height on it. Really nice quality. I love the design in the build. It has like a faux wood finish on it, and then it has a nice brown layer. This is like an ivory white. It's not bright white. It's more like an ivory color. It has this wood look top on the very top, and then also here in the middle shelf. It has shelves on the top. You can see right here glass. It has like a I would call it like plexiglass. It's not plastic, but it's more glass than plastic feel. And the shelves are adjustable. You can see right here, so you have different levels where you can raise the shelves to. Has this magnet right here. It has right here where you can secure the cabinet to the wall with drywall anchors. So you have drywall. It comes with a drywall kit, so you can secure it to the wall if you want to do that. I did not do that. So it has a nice magnet here to keep keep the doors secure. And then this area right here is really nice because if you want, you could put something like a microwave, or you could put other type of appliances here. It has a nice hole here so you don't have cords falling everywhere. You could just have it discreetly, the cords go discreetly through here. You could use this space for multiple things. You could use it for like a microwave, or you could use it as like a coffee or tea station. You could put your Keurig or your teapot here and make this like a little mini bar area. There's drawers right here, nice size drawer. Um, and then you have this cabinet down here at the bottom. And again, you have a shelf here, and it's adjustable. You have different levels where you can have it varying heights. I have it at this height because I plan to put my Instapot and some bigger appliances down here that have a little height on them. So this is what I plan to do with this area right here. So just to tell you a little bit about it, assembly took me about a couple hours. I'd say about maybe 3 hours, but that was not straight through. It was on a Saturday. I took breaks. I was doing laundry, cooking a little bit, so I'd come back to it. It wasn't straight through. I think you could do it with about an hour, hour and a half if you are if you organize all your pieces. When I opened the package, I had um, everything opened up where all the pieces were in reverse. So I had to kind of resort everything. So that took a little time. So if you're lucky and you have the pieces open in order, then that'll make things faster too for you as well. So it was very easy. All you needed was a screwdriver. And I was able to do most of it by myself. The only thing I needed help with was it when you assemble it has you do this top level by itself together and then put this bottom level together. I needed my husband's help to lift this up and put it on top so that I could secure it. But that was the only time I needed assistance. So for the majority of it, 99% of it, I was able to do all by myself. And it was very easy. The instructions were very clear, easy to follow. Sometimes I get frustrated because they're not really clear. You don't know, you kind of have to make assumptions. This came with very clear instructions. Um, Nice fit, nice finish. I love the handles. I think just has a nice classy touch. I love the design. It has a little bit of a farmhouse feel, but also a little traditional as well. So it'll go in multiple types of decor, depending on how your home is set up. But we have more of a traditional style home, not like a farm or country style, but I think it still works, you know. But overall, I'm pleased with it. I'm excited to have something that will fit, that will help solve my problem with overflowing drawers and cabinets. Another thing I wanted to mention on the feet, there are felt covers, felt pads that go on the feet of the cabinet. And that way you don't have to worry about scraping the floor. I have a tile floor, so it's not an issue. But if you have like hardwood floors, if you have to move it and drag it, it's not going to scratch your floors because it has the felt pads at the bottom of the feet. So just really thoughtful. I think it was very thoughtful touches. And overall, I am pleased with this. I do have a video. If you want to stick around for the end of the video, you could see me putting it together. But overall, this was very simple, easy to do, and I am really pleased and excited about it. So if you're looking for a really nice cabinet with nice storage area that still has a nice classy look and can fit multiple types of decor, definitely check this one out. So this is me assembling the cabinet, and you can just watch if you want to. Like I said, it was pretty simple to do, and I love putting things together, so this was just right up my alley, but it wasn't difficult at all. And like I mentioned earlier, the instructions were very clear and it was pretty simple. So the only time I really needed assistance is when putting the top section on the bottom. I needed my husband to help me with that, and so it was very easy to put together. So I consider myself to be a very handy person. If you tend to be handy yourself, you should have no problems at all.